16 different types of forging tools, and their uses. Forging is a manufacturing process involving the shaping of metal through compressive forces delivered with a hammer or die. The process can be achieved with hammering, pressing, or rolling. Using appropriate forging tools leads to perfect forge work. This forge is sometimes called hearth because it uses hearth as a source of heating metal for easy deformation. Modern forging equipment is highly automated, made of high-tech machinery, and has made life easier for blacksmiths. Well, in this video we will explore the various types of forging tools and their uses. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share this video. Types of forging tools. The types of forging tools include anvil, chisel, tong, fuller, hammer, press, die, flatter, punch and drift, swage block, clamping vise, and hearth. 1. Furnace or hearth. These forging tools are used by blacksmiths for heating metal pieces. They usually consist of 4 legs, a cast iron or steel body, an iron bottom, a chimney, and a blower. 2. Anvil. Anvils are types of forging tools that serve as a workbench for blacksmiths. It is a large slab of metal usually made of steel. It is used to perform different operations like flattening metal surfaces and obtaining shapes with the use of the hammer. Some anvil contains hardy holes and punches holes. The hardy hole serves as a square shank for the hardy, and the punch hole provides clearance for the punching hole in the metal. 3. Chisel. Chisel is used for cutting and chipping out metal. It is made of high petroleum steel with an octagonal cross-section with a tapered cutting edge on one end. Chisel used in forging is of 2 types, hot and cold chisel. A hot chisel is used for hot forging and a cold chisel is used for cold forging. 4. Tong. These types of forging tools are used in transporting the heated metal to the anvil. Tongs are available in different types and designs to provide adequate gripping of different metal shapes and sizes. 5. Fuller. Fuller helps to create grooves or indentions in the forging process. It is also used to stretch the metal. Fuller works in pairs, by placing one beneath the metal, and the other on top. This allows the indentation of both sides of the metal to occur simultaneously. 6. Hammer. Hammers are types of forging tools used in several ways, based on the type of forging needed to be performed, such as hot forging, cold forging, closed die forging, upset forging, press forging, etc. The hammer serves as a forging tool used in achieving shapes on workpieces. It is used as a striking tool and can be classified as a drop hammer and power hammer. Drop hammer, heavy ram is falling onto the metal by gravity. It is used by the smith's hand power. Power hammer, the power source is from hydraulics, compressed air, or electricity in driving the hammer. It is used when a large quantity of jobs is needed. The power works by placing the workpiece on its anvil. Level is used in controlling the heavy ram to fall on the workpiece. 7. Tong. These types of forging tools are used for holding and turning hot metals. Tongs are available in different types and sizes. They are classified based on the grip of the tongs. 8. Punch and drift. These types of forging tools are made of high-carbon steel, which helps in making hot holes on hot metal pieces. This forging tool is available in different sizes and has a common shape. Drift is a large size of punch used in enlarging holes. 9. Flatter. This forging tool is used to flatten the surface of the workpiece. It consists of a plain face joined with a straight shank. Flatter's materials are high-carbon steel. 10. Swage. Swage is a forging tool type that gives various shapes to the workpiece. It is also made of high-carbon steel. 11. Swage block. This forging equipment is made of cast iron or cast steel rectangular block, having several holes in it. The holes are made of different sizes and shapes. 12. Set hammer. Set hammer is a forging tool used for making surface planes, forming and making corners. This forging tool has similar shapes with flatter. It is made of tool steel. The workpiece must be placed on an anvil before a set hammer can be used. 13. Clamping vise. This forging equipment is used in holding workpieces in the smithy show. It consists of 2 jaws, a spring, and a flat bottom. The workpieces are clamped between two jaws and tightened to hold them strongly. 14. Big iron. This forging equipment is made of tool steel and it is hardened. It has a tapered tail at one side and the other portion is similar to the horn of an anvil. This forging equipment can also work on an anvil due to its taper shank. 15. Press. This forging equipment uses excessive pressure to fold metal into the desired shape. This forging equipment can forge the entire product at once. Presses are available in two types, mechanical and hydraulic press forging. Mechanical press forging. This is a mechanical device, equipped with a motor, crank, flywheel, etc., which easily forces the ram against the metal. This forging equipment is not suitable for large or complex items, but it is useful when simple shaping effects are required. Hydraulic press forging. The operation is performed by high-pressure fluid propelled by hydraulic pumps in order to force ram against the metal. This forging equipment provides force while forging an item. It is used and preferred when a large or complex item is needed to be forged. 16. Forging dies. This forging equipment is required to properly mold metal. It serves as a mold into which malleable metals are pressed. The dies are important in all forging projects. It is used for large production and complex job. Dies are available in two types, open die and closed die. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.